All right, so we've got this System 11 fireboard here. So we had to do repairs on it. We had 9 eyelets in total. So we had 9 through holes that were pulled on this PIA here. We also did a little bit of alkaline abatement underneath. We did some trace repairs, which you can kind of see a little glimpse of. Got a foreign object in there as well. I'll get that cleaned out. We did, let's see, 11 sockets, 3 TIP 122s, 6 capacitors, replaced the power header, and also installed a battery with a battery holder, replaced a 2N4403, as well as a 7402. And we are 100% working, ready to go. Get her powered up here. So we've got displays. I do have it on free play. And get the lamp matrix dancing here. And I'll go ahead and throw this thing into test. We do have a soundboard connected, so no sounds coming out. Cycle through all the displays here. And that is all the displays working. And again, we don't have a soundboard hooked up. So there's all the lamps. And then single lamps. Cycle through. You may see a little ghosting there from the LEDs. And then coil test. So it'll cycle A side and C side. And the special solenoids are also switch controlled. So cycle through those. And then no switches that are locked on there. That 7402 is actually causing a locked on plumb bob tilt. And we'll go into switch tests. So we'll go through diagonally just to show that the whole matrix is working. All the way up to 64 there. So again, I've got this on free play here for you, so no need to add credits. And we're 100% booting here. So the issue was actually with the repair work that was done prior to this. Whoever had installed this socket with the PIA, they didn't clean up underneath the traces, and so as you saw in the pictures there, we had to go ahead and replace a lot of the through holes and do a lot of trace repair on there. But this thing is good to go here for you now. Thank you so much for sending it.